So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change miles to kilometers in Strava. So first of all, open up your app. Through here you'll just need to log in so you can access your account. After that you can see at the bottom home, maps, record, groups and the U segment, and you can see in the top left your profile as well as search, notifications and messages. So go to your profile in the top left. You can see here some information about activities, statistics, routes, segments, and best efforts. So you can even see your trophy case. But in order to change miles to kilometers or change many things, you will need to go to settings first. You can see here manage apps and devices, restore purchases, change passwords, switch to one-time codes, change email, get help. You can then see the preferences like privacy controls, units of measurement, temperature, autoplay video, default maps, beacon, and so on. So through here, go to units of measurement. And through here, I just clicked on it and it's changed to miles. If I wish to change it back, I just click on it again. Since those are the only two options, it doesn't even give you a list to change it. So just make sure what it says here. So km or kilometers is the default right now. This is the miles. And it's back to kilometers. So just make sure that you know what it says so you don't get surprised when you start tracking an activity and it's in miles or in kilometers and you wish it to be different. So just change it through there before you start your activity on Strava. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Strava or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.